Hi, this is Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. And today on Cooking with Edye, I am making Bob's Chicken and Orzo Bake. Cute story behind this dish. My friend Bob Sacamano, who was a firefighter in the Bronx, New York, was the cook chef for all the boys at the engine. So this dish is inspired by him and for him. Bob's Chicken and Orzo Bake. The recipe will be in the description below. The links to the products, which we paid for ourselves, will also be in the description below. Just a quick mention, we also have a Facebook group called Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, where you can meet other people who love the Omnia oven and share recipes. If you feel so inclined, smooshy that like button, hit that notification bell, and please do subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am ready to cook. Let's make this Bronx chicken and orzo bake. So I'm seasoning about 4 boneless chicken breasts with salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Feel free to use whatever spices that you like.